Feeling Well Fridays. We're here with our patient. We're going to make it a great weekend.
We are.
Okay, so you're going to put your hands behind your neck. No.
Oh, okay. Am I under arrest?
You're under arrest. No, you're not under arrest.
I don't often get arrested.
No, you're not. No, and don't arrest me. Okay, so now you're going to lean back more. Okay, so you're going to let your body weight fall into me. Okay. Then you're going to bring your elbows together. You're going to look up and just let that go. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Okay, where'd you feel that?
In the mid-back.
Yeah, a lot of people notice you'll breathe better after this adjustment because it just opens. Try taking a deep breath.
Oh, yeah.
Nicer?
A lot better.
Okay, that's why we call it Feeling Well Friday.
I feel very well.